Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Gene. I'm the pizza veteran, and I am getting ready to do an unboxing of my Empava PG03 Pizza Oven. Now, I've got the PG06 already, and that thing has been great. I absolutely love it. This one right here is going to go on a trailer, and I'm going to be selling pizzas and taking profits to help disabled veterans in my community and around the country. I plan on donating to Tunnels to Towers, and some other organizations that do great things for disabled vets. So there's my packing slip from Forward Air. Doing this in my garage where they dropped it for me because it is cold outside, so don't want to do it out there. Just going to take this box apart, take a look and see what's inside of this and see how well it's packed and see how the oven made it during shipping. Looks like it's going to be great. The box is in perfect shape, so we shouldn't have any problems with damage from shipping or anything like that. This oven's different than my PG06 in the sense that it runs on propane and or wood. So I plan on running this with the propane to keep a constant stable temperature and having a little bit of wood in there to get that wood fire flavor when I'm doing my pizzas. So without further ado, let's start cutting into this box and see what we've got. Break out the trusty knife here and cut these bands off. Alright, so now that the bands are off, I think this box is just going to lift right off the top here because that's the way my other one was. And let's see. That looks like it's going to do it, but you know what? Let me cut this open just so I can grab it a little bit easier. There we go. That popped off. And gonna come around. Sorry, my back's gonna be to the camera here for a minute. So, all right, we've got the big part of the box off here. Put that all the way over there. There we go. Now, as you can see, you've got a lot of styrofoam in this box. You've got some shrink wrap. You've got these brackets here. They're real heavy duty cardboard, so they're holding everything into place really well. And it looks like the packing job is just fantastic on this. I'm a bit of a guitar player as well, and I've ordered guitars online that didn't seem like they were packed as well as this oven. So, get this out of here. Styrofoam over there. As you can see, I mean, these are really thick pieces of styrofoam. So this oven is really well protected inside of this box. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're thinking about purchasing an Empava oven, and I recommend them highly. I think they're great. I wasn't sure at first, obviously, because I had never had one before, and that's usually the way it works. You buy something for the first time, and you're not sure, but man, I'm impressed with what these guys do. The oven keeps great temperature. The oven comes back up to temperature very quickly because, every time you open the door, you're going to let some of the heat out, and it comes right back up to temperature really quick. The oven bricks on the bottom hold temperature very well. The oven, here's your instruction manual. The oven that I have that runs just on wood gets up to about 800 degrees, holds that really well. When you're going to cook pizzas, you're looking to get the